The President has acknowledged the difficulties Kenyans have had to experience in the transition from the defunct National Health Insurance Fund, NHIF, to the Social Health Authority, SHA, promising for relief in the coming days. The promised relief comes after and amid pain, strain and distress among many Kenyans as they sought to access medical care. In his address during this year's Mashujaa Day celebrations, the head of state expressed confidence in the new system as well as other projects that the state is pursuing, such as affordable housing. And TV's Zainab Ismail with the details from Kwale County.
Images of pain that has been caused by the challenges in the transition from the National Health Insurance Fund to the Social Health Authority's system. The problem persists, with patients being turned away for lack of money, even when they're paid up members of the state-run insurance fund. President William Ruto has called upon private hospitals to expedite the contracting process to facilitate the universal health coverage rollout as planned, saying that all public health institutions and 50% of private facilities are already enrolled to provide services.
I know this has been a major concern for hospitals that are owed by the former NHIF a lot of money. I want to give them my assurance that from next week, we have already released the money that will go into settling some of the debts that have held back their services under our new program.
The President says the government has allocated 3 billion shillings to settle outstanding payments to service providers.
Through the Social Health Insurance Fund, citizens will contribute and access comprehensive healthcare benefits. And those who are categorized as not being able to pay, the government of Kenya will step in and pay for them. The value for money in this scheme will be undeniable once the migration from the National Health Insurance Fund is completed and the fund is fully operational.
On the affordable housing project, which informed the theme of the 2024 Mashujaa Day feat, President Ruto said 120,000 housing units across 37 counties are at different levels of completion.
So far, the affordable housing program has created over 160,000 jobs throughout the housing value chain. While the industry remains predominantly male, we are working to increase female participation to 30%, up from the current 20%.
Well, President William Ruto also steered clear of any politics in his speech today, but what was conspicuously clear was the sitting position of Professor Kithure Kindiki, who sat to the seat next to the First Lady, which is normally reserved for the Deputy President. Zainab Ismail, NTV.